Okay folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the link to our recipe collection that you have just created and how to share it by email. So the exciting thing, the interesting thing about this that probably mightn't be obvious at first is that, and this is really useful if you're doing weekly meal plans that you're going to send to people for a membership, is that when they click on the link in the email and visit your site, the recipe collection that you have shared is automatically created, saved in their recipe box. So I'm going to show you what I mean now. We go to WP Recipe Maker Manage, and we want to go to features, and we want to go to saved collections where we've created them all. And what I want to do is just to show you guys that this definitely works. So that's my recipe box there. Okay, so there's only one there, 5 plant-based vegan specials for dinner. And I will, let me see, what if I hear 5-day starter plan. So what I want to do, and you can see here now that I'm on a small screen, I'm on a 16-inch MacBook, and so I can't really see all of that link, and it'd be very easy actually not to make a mistake here when you're copying that. So if you want to see it more clearly, just a little tip here is turn off some of the columns up the top there, but just remember to turn them back on if you're looking for something. You know, it's very easy to forget about that. You mightn't notice it and you might get confused there. But anyway, we can see now, even if we turn off one of the others, we can really see it clearly now, and we want to copy and paste that. So I'm going to, in a later video, I'm going to actually show you how you can send emails from your WordPress website with the Fluent CRM email marketing plugin. We can actually build all our funnels and campaigns and automations. That's customer journeys. We can build all our funnel flows, all of that, and get all our reports, and even we can sell digital products, we can sell physical products, and memberships. We can do all of that here from the dashboard. So I'm going to get into that later. You know, some people might just want very simple setups, but we can build quite elaborate automated membership websites as well and run it all from WordPress. So here we are. I'm going to explain this now, but it'll be the exact same, folks, if you're not using something like this. If you're using ConvertKit or MailChimp or MailerLite, whatever it is, ActiveCampaign, you will just do the same thing there. You will get that link, or you might just copy it into your email program, such as Yahoo Mail, if you want to send it to someone, a client, or Gmail. So we want to go to campaigns here, and we want to create a new campaign. So meal plan, and so we'll go through all that, and we'll just copy our link into it, and you see we can actually change the text now in this. So it'll be, we'll call it meal plan. Click here for this week's meal plan. So that'll be what you do. You'll copy and paste your link into your application. So, oh sugar, it didn't save. I must have forgotten it here. So this week's meal plan. So I will discuss all this a lot more in detail later, but that's what you'll do in your email editor. You will put your link in, and then you'll set everything up. I'll come back to this and go through it. But that's what you do. But the thing is, folks, I have I want to show you now, because if we look at the links, features, save collections, all the links, you'll see save is at the end. So that's just explaining what happens. So I showed you that I'd only one recipe collection in my recipe box, and when I go to that link, it'll be the same as opening the link that I received in my email. There it is, 5-day starter plan. And when I go to my collections, you can see it's there now. So it's yet another way of sharing a plan, you know. And the thing is, you could push it to their collection, but you could do a combination, I suppose. You could push it to, yeah, no, if you push it to the collection though, and give them a save link, you will put the collection in twice, so you could only actually do one. Yeah. So I like the weekly email, because you're building that relationship with the people. If you're, you could send them an email that you could actually probably push it to their accounts and just send them an email without that link, that the new collection, send them a reminder email that you have pushed the collection to their recipe box. Is probably the best thing to know, because you want to keep those emails regular. And influence CRM, you can schedule all those emails ahead of time as well. You can plan it all ahead, and get super organized and use the automation and all as well. So I'll get more into that later on, after we've completed the WordPress recipe maker tutorial. So that's it, folks. We'll move on to the next video.